Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Do you hear me good enough? Yeah. Okay, my name is Roman Kligerman. I am PLM administrator in IDE Technologies, and next to me, Ira Sofer, project manager, DSO company, DSO system. In the next half an hour, we'll present to you our implementation process of ENOVIA V6 in our company. So to start with, I would like to run a small presentation about my company. Then we'll present the implementation process itself. Then we are going to share with you several our future plans for ENOVIA V6 in my company. And finally, we'll give several recommendations for potential implementers. So, IDE Technologies, what is that company?
IDE Technologies, a world of water solutions. Today, our world faces the increasing need for affordable domestic, industrial, and agricultural water. For over 45 years, IDE has been an industry pioneer and world leader in the delivery of advanced desalination plants and other complex water solutions. Experts in highly cost-effective and energy-efficient thermal and membrane desalination technologies, the company has built 400 plants in around 40 countries worldwide. With medium, large to mega capacities, IDE's proprietary reverse osmosis plants set the global standard. Delivering tailor-made optimized solutions, IDE among the won the 2006 WI Desalination Plant of the Year Award, and the Hadera plant received the 2007 Euromoney Deal of the Year Award. Our low-temperature thermal desalination solutions include some of the world's largest, most advanced MVC and MED plants. Our MED plants exploit previously unrecoverable waste heat, making them among the greenest solutions for pure water production. And our MVC's large-scale compressors deliver the most efficient, reliable, and cost-effective operation. With expertise in the entire production cycle, our solutions have been implemented under BOT schemes, EPC turnkey contracts, or equipment supply arrangements. We also provide O&M services for both thermal and membrane plants. Our projects are completed on time, within budget, and above specifications. IDE also offers advanced eco-friendly solutions outside the desalination industry. Efficient vacuum ice makers for deep mine cooling. Thermal energy storage solutions for off-peak ice production. Unique all-weather snowmakers operating at all ambient temperatures. And zero liquid discharge industrial evaporators. IDE combines local knowledge, world-class engineering, financial strength, and a global network of subsidiaries and agents. Jointly owned by the ICL and Dela Groups, IDE's decades of technological innovation, environmental responsibility, business flexibility, and highly committed people explain our world leadership in water solutions.
Okay, the presentation of our company is finished, so let's go on. As you saw, we started about half a century ago in Israel. Since then, we installed about 400 desalination plants in over 40 countries and have subsidiaries in several countries over the world. As you know, most of water in the world is saline water. Just 2.5% of water in the world is fresh. So for many countries, solution is desalination. Let's get to our implementation process. What did we get from implementation of ENOVIA PLM v6 compared to as we worked previously? Previously, all our inventor and AutoCAD files were saved in project network folders, and actually was no control for their change or their revisions. Today, with PLM, we have a full revision and status control for our CAD objects, and in addition, quick search ability for them. Before implementation, all our departments worked in their own drives because of access permission. So that led to access issues between engineers from different departments. Today we have capability for file sharing across the whole company with access control within each department. Before implementation, all our approved documents were scanned and saved in the central library. We did not manage a previous version of this document. Document tracing in the assembly, our big assemblies, was very difficult, as query where used was actually impossible. Today, all our documents saved in PDF format and attached to their CAD objects. We have possibility for navigation in our huge assemblies, and of course a possibility for where use query. Our project BOM were created manual in our old ERP system. There was no connection between parts and their related documents, and absolutely was no part revision control. With implementation of PLM, we have the capability for associating our documents to their parts, full BOM management with part revision control and with configuration control. Our manual process and change, release and change process were manual, so we brought our papers from table to table and signed them manual. The status of this document during this process was almost unknown. With a flexible workflow of ENOVIA PLM, we have the possibility for electronic release and change process, and these processes can be measured and evaluated. As you can see at this slide, we got clear visibility of all our processes in PLM system. For example, I can say how many ECO we released during some period, or how many drawings, specs were created or released, parts, BOMs, and so on. Clear visibility. That's our program architecture before implementation PLM ENOVIA. We worked with several CAD applications. You can see at the bottom of the slide, Microsoft Office, and with several stress analysis applications on your right-hand side. All these files were saved in the project network folders, and the metadata was manually written into our old ERP system. With the implementation of PLM, all our CAD objects get into the designer central, where they save their structure as in original application. Their metadata shared automatically with the engineering central. Office document and reports from stress analysis application as well get to the engineering central. After bomb creation, release or change process, metadata automatically transferred to our ERP system. Let's look at our project timeline. First of all, we reviewed all our worker procedure, as you can see on this scheme. We defined our needs and created RFP using outside PLM consulting. This stage took us about 4 months. During the next 6 months, we sent our RFP to 5 vendors, evaluated their proposals, and selected 2 of them for final best. We are impressed very much from CAD integration of ENOVIA, or the capability of CAD integration, and also from professionalism of pre-sale team who led us during the selection process. So finally, we chose ENOVIA. Now I'm handing my speech to my colleague, Ira Sofer. Ira, please.
Hello, everybody. Since we are talking about the first implementation of ENOVIA V6 in Israel, we had a partnership with Technia. They assist us for the technical issues. We had a partnership with Yael Software. It's a local VAR for the support of the CAD integrations. And of part, the main player of the project is the customer itself. It's IDE Technologies. Okay, here we can see actually the regular project management. In orange, you can see the deployment process. The time was very, very limited. Actually, I had about 5 months for the deployment process of ENOVIA. But in the parallel, additional processes were initiated, like legacy data preparation and extract. And one of the last stages, it was a multiple go-live simulation with a specific task for every member of the team. On some stage, colored by green, you can see we have started to prepare the use cases scenario and validation actually of the system. We are talking about the CAD users, the multiple CAD users that's actually using the Inventor and the AutoCAD tools. We needed to prepare the training material, and actually the training sessions took about 2 months because of the multiple users on site. Okay. The deployment process was performed with a rapid development methodology. That means that all the scope of the project we have separated to the different functional blocks, and actually you can see the timeline. It's very, very restricted. And for each block, actually, we needed to define that actually the configure the development and testing environment. That means for this particular case, for all the stages are known for everybody, like definition of the document management, PDM management, and so on and on. And with this, you can see the period. In this period, the actual definition and the actual configuration have been performed on site. Okay. Okay, actually the project was managed like a military operation because we had a real limited budget and the timeline. That means that every member of the team knew exactly what he or she needs to perform. They had a list of tasks and it was measured, and you can see even the last stages of